close. It's been a somber session for the markets due to the demise of Ratan Tata. For the markets, it's largely a flat close. On the way up, you had banks outperforming. The Nifty Bank up 1% with Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank doing the heavy lifting. But the gains that you got from the banking stocks were offset by the weakness in Pharma. The Nifty Pharma index down 2%. IT index down more than 1% towards the close of trade. And even FMCG names were soft with the index down close to about 0.4%. Mid-caps, though, are likely to end in the red.
Yes, the mid-cap index losing a fair bit of ground. If we talk about some of the key movers and shakers in terms of volumes, then you have names like Reliance Power, IRB Infra, some names like Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Zomato. These are the ones which have seen about a 1% to 2% drop, but with large volumes. Aside of that, obviously it's Pharma. We discussed those concerns around perhaps some new regulation in the US that could be hurting some of the generic pharma producers. Cipla, Torrent Pharma, Lupin. Actually, the entire pack was down very, very sharply today. Nykaa lost about 3% as well. Ola Electric has lost another 5% as more scrutiny continues from the government as well. Nazara was down about 4%. So quite a few names on the way down. However, there were the winners, and I think in the winners tally, the PSU shipbuilders, they really stood out tall. Mazga was going home with a gain of about 8.5%, Garden Reach about 7% higher.
You know, some of these NBFCs, the RBI warning yesterday came for microfinance and NBFC companies, and they were all higher yesterday. But today, I'm just, Aptus is down 3%, Home First is down 5%, and I think a few other NBFCs. Our Bajaj Housing Finance is down about 3% today. I mean, these were all up around 3-4%. So they've all kind of reversed their gains. Of course, we've been highlighting a microfinance company, high-quality microfinance company, Credit Access, which of course has been under pressure, and many others on the MFI side are also under pressure. So both housing finance, and these are all, by the way, private, not the Bajaj housing, but the others are all private equity funded. I mean, so you're seeing some pressure on those specific names, because the RBI did call out some of these investor PE funded NBFCs, and the fact that maybe investors were pushing these companies for growth and asking them to make loans which were slightly higher risk. All right, so the market ends at about 25,000, so just 25 points in the green, flat, but Nifty Bank goes home with a 1% plus kind of a pop. It's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell. Markets forward will pick up on the action. Rima and Nigel will take you through that. And of course, we're also awaiting TCS numbers, which should be out soon. Stay with us.